Bound Brook, New Jersey, in his house. Let's go. So we're on Tallmadge Ave here. Bound Brook, New Jersey. A little bit chilly today. And we're heading towards the downtown area of Bound Brook. There's a big steakhouse, Colombian Steakhouse. So Bound Brook, New Jersey is where we're at. Let's go. So the weather is starting to get better, but we're still a little chilly. Right now it's like 55 degrees. Supposed to get up into the 80s next week, which is awesome, especially for this walking weather. Walking. It is walking season. These cars turning? I think so. I don't think this is do not enter this way. Got to be careful here. Do not enter, but you never know. Somebody could come driving street. Some cars for sale right there. $995. $1,000. I mean, the mileage might be high, but is that, oh, 8? The 8 is so small. 8,995. Okay. Far away, it looked like under 1,000, which would have been a good deal for a car anywhere, I guess. Got a Toyota, Hyundai, but yeah, pretty cool. Didn't see that 8. Didn't see that coming. Let's stroll. We're getting to the main street. This is Main Street up here. And it gets to more like urban city, small town kind of vibes, all rolled in one up here. We got LBG, little big guy, pocket 3 camera, star of the show, in the bag, rolling. 4K 60, let's go. Yeah, they knocked down a lot of stuff over here. As you can see right here, a lot of stuff got knocked down over this way. Big lot over here. I don't know what anything is going on or not. I don't know. Take a peek in there with the camera. Little big guy. He hit the fence, so there's a little jitter there. Let me make sure he's straight. Okay, little big guy. Pocket 3 camera, LBG. Yeah, it's a big lot over here. They knocked everything down, it looks like, on this spot. Wow, okay. And I've mentioned it in another video or two, but it was a big event here that there was a big fire, and that building over there could have been the building because it looks like it caught fire. this building across the street. So that is quite the possibility. Quite the possibility. Yeah, there's a lot of new housing here because these buildings look pretty new. A lot of these buildings look at least, you know, maybe less than 10 years old, 20 years old. They're very, very pretty new. City style. City style buildings. Okay, let this guy go. Is he stopping? Okay, you good? You gotta hurry up. Go. Go, go, go. There we go. There was a car coming through, but he stopped. Bound Brook, good old Bound Brook. Dunkin' Donuts has been here a long time, this building. Bound Brook into his house. Good old Bound Brook. Bound Brook, New Jersey.